Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save Google Sites as PDF. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So start by navigating to Google Sites. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. After successfully logging in, the next step is to select the specific site you wish to convert into a PDF. From your Google Sites dashboard, click on the site you're interested in. Once you're in the editing mode of your site, look for the preview button typically found in the top of the screen. Click on this. It's crucial to view the published version of your site because this is the version you'll want to save as a PDF. Now with your site's published version open, navigate to your browser's menu. Clicking these three dots will open the browser's main menu, offering several options for you to choose from. Among these options, look for Print. Clicking Print will open your browser's printing options. In the Printing Options window, look at the Destination Printer drop-down menu. You'll want to change the selected printer to Save as PDF. This option will redirect the output of the printing process to a PDF file instead of sending it to an actual printer. After selecting Save as PDF, you may adjust other settings as needed, like the layout orientation or which pages you'd like to include in your PDF. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Save button and you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Pick your desired location, give your file a name, and click Save. And that's it. So that is how you can save Google Sites as PDF. So that's all for this video. Thanks.